How are you? How are you guys? You good?
Glad to be here.
Yeah. You look good, okay?
Thank you.
Last week we discussed a language, Igbo language, a word that have alphabetical inodum. Can you remember what we touched on last week?
Klabamo
Bamo.
abamo.
Good. Akbaramo. That means you keep on learning. As you're learning, you keep on learning until you understand what you're learning. Today we are going to have another word. Omonna warriuku. Say it. Omonna warriuku.
Amo.
No. Omonna
Omona.
warriuku.
Aluku.
Yeah. Omonna warriuku. Say it.
Amona ogupu.
No. You didn't get it. Omonna warriuku. Say it.
Amona aluku.
Ụmụnna bụ ọrịa ukwu. Ụmụnna bụ ọrịa ukwu. Now, you told me last week that you love our tradition dance, right?
Yes.
Now, I will give you the list of those drums. Eji udu amo. Say eji udu amo.
Eju ugamo.
Egwu aha.
Iguana.
Eji udu amo. Egwu aha.
Eju budama.
Egwu aha.
Iguana.
Egwu is music. Egwu.
Egu.
Egwu, yeah. Yeah, it's music. Now, eji oya amo egwu aha.
Eju agua ama.
Eji oya amo.
Ejiwa amo.
Say eji oya amo.
Eji ama amo.
No. Say, you are making it to start falling. So say it. Eji oya amo.
Eji amo amo.
Eji oya amo.
Eji owamo.
Eji okwa amo.
Okwa amo.
Eji kwe okwa amo. Okwa is that thing you see someone else doing like this. Yeah. That is the name of that thing is called okwa. Say it. Okwa. Now we are using okwa to money. Eji okwa amo. Say it.
Eji okwa amo.
Eji udu amo.
Eji udamo.
Jikwe oyamo.
Jikowa ik amo.
Oyamo. Eji oyamo.
O amo.
Ihe niile aga na-amụ ya ana-amụ ana-aga. Now that one is over.
Okay.
Now if it comes to Igbo name, we have Ekpemenechi. Say it. Igbo name, we have Ekpemenechi. Ekpemenechi mean
Egmamenechi.
we keep on praying to God. Ekpemenechi. Say it.
Egmamenechi.
Ekpemenechi.
Egmamenechi. Egmamenechi.
Good. You got it. Ekpemenechi. Good. I will ask. You will repeat all these things next week lecture. So you have to cram it. Make sure you cram it. Make sure you remember it. I taught you is what? Agbaramo. Eji udu amo. Eji ogwe amo.
Eju agwo damo.
Eji ogwe amo. Say it.
Eju
Eji ogwe amo.
gramo.
Eji oyamo.